Anti-cancer functional foods, which are made of the components extracted from natural crude medicines, is expected to be developed for the first time in our country and to be put on the market as early as this month.
These foods, called Himohim and Hebaton, play the functions of preventing the damage of living bodies and promoting hematogenesis, immunity, and the regeneration of living tissues. In order to prove such effects, the cancer cells were injected into mice. In the left mouse, cancer cells continue to be transmitted, whereas in the right mouse, into which the functional foods were injected, the effect for controlling cancer cells occurred. These two functional foods developed this time extracted their components from our traditional oriental medicines, including Angelica gigas Nakai. The method was to create the new complex materials by combining the natural crude medicines with biotechnology and radiation technology. Each component was separated, so each effect was tested. And then, in order to maximize each effect, the components were reorganized again. The previous natural physiology activation materials were limited in anti-cancer effects and were strong in toxicity, whereas the anti-cancer functional foods enhance their effects and eliminate their toxicity by synthesizing various components. These anti-cancer functional foods is expected to be put on the market in month in parallel with the clinical test in Korea Atomic Energy Hospital.
The new biochemical complex, which greatly enhanced the immune power of cancer patients, was developed by our domestic research team. According to the results of a clinical test, the recovery of leukocyte was enhanced and the side effect of cancer treatment was largely eliminated.
Himohim, the natural crude medicine material, which was made by mixing natural crude medicines. Through executing the intensive analysis on about 30 types of natural crude medicines, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute produced this natural crude materials by recompounding Angelica gigas Nakai. These natural crude medicines include sulfur oxides activating the immunity and promoting hematogenesis function. So this research team developed immunity-increasing materials by recomposing these components. Because the investigated materials promote the functions of immunity and hematogenesis, the sulfur oxides prevent the damage of normal tissues by radiation or anti-cancer medicines. According to the results of clinical experiments in Korea Atomic Energy Hospital, the new natural crude medicine materials enhance the immunity power of cancer patients largely. After 15 patients of breast cancer and uterine cancer each took the new natural crude medicine materials, all their recovery speeds increased by 60%. Especially this natural crude medicine complex could decrease the side effects according to cancer treatments, including inflammation or mimesis. Though the cancer patients had suffered difficulties due to